DockRite Incorporated. Docks, lifts, canopies, and high-quality custom waterfront accessories. In this video, we will cover the DockRite Vertical Boat Lift System. Step 1 in assembling the DockRite Vertical Boat Lift is to identify and familiarize yourself with the major lift components. Cut the banding and separate the parts in an open area. You will have the sides, spreader bar, the top frame, which has 4 parts. There is a front, back, and 2 sides. Also, there will be 4 lift pads and 4 24-inch lift braces. Step 2 in assembly will be to assemble the 4 lift pads to the lift sides. Use a 5-inch by 1/2 inch diameter bolt and brass nut to attach each of the 4 lift pads to the lift sides. Step 3. Attach lift sides to the spreader bars. Note the tabs facing up. These tabs will attach to the lift braces. It is important to leave all hardware loose until the final step of tightening. This will help ensure correct alignment of all the assembled components. Use 1-inch by 3/8 inch bolts and brass nuts. There are 16 of them, using 4 in each corner. This step will need to be repeated 4 times in each of the 4 corners. Step 5 will be attaching the 24-inch lift braces to all 4 corners onto the exposed tabs. The hardware to be used will be 2.5-inch by 3/8 inch bolts and brass nuts. Step 6 is pulling clips from the top frame sides. After pulling clips, cut the shrink wrap on both sides and let the bracing down. Step 7 is the top frame assembly. Locate the top frame single cable beam. Place the frame component inside the lift and ensure the white poly roller aligns with the lift sides. Next, align the top frame side with the single cable beam and insert the stainless pin followed by the pin clip. The pin clip will hold the beam in place. Step 8 is to fasten 4 1-inch by 3/8 inch bolts and brass nuts to secure the top frame. Repeat this on both sides. Step 9 is to locate the top frame double cable beam and repeat the assembly process. To ensure correct assembly of the double cable beam, make sure the threaded end of the cables can be secured to the top of the lift. Note that the loop end of the cable should be facing down. Step 10. Insert grease zerks into pins. Make sure you use marine grade grease to lube your DockRite boat lift. Typically 3 to 4 pumps is sufficient for proper lubrication of the pulley. We recommend greasing each point once a year. Step 11 is to tighten all hardware, except the 4 spreader bars and the 24-inch lift bracing. Step 12 is to insert the threaded end of the cable into the top winch side bracket. Have a washer and nylon nut ready to fasten. Then repeat on the non-winch side. Step 13. Insert loop end of cable into position to insert cable pin, followed by the clip. Step 14. Tighten cable nuts to show approximately 1.5 inches of cable thread. Step 15. On the single cable side, insert cable loop to top bracket and insert pin, followed by the clip. Step 16 is to install the gearbox. Locate the winch side and slide the gearbox into place. The gearbox will rest on the winch stop. Step 17. Insert cable end into bottom of cable drum, a minimum of 3 inches, and secure by tightening the Allen bolts. Step 18 is installing the lift wheel. Center the wheel on the winch threads and spin clockwise until the clicking starts. Tighten slack in the cables until the lift frame starts to rise. Step 19 is to fasten the speed handle to the lift wheel. Step 20. Insert the 4-inch by 1/2 inch bolt through the winch bracket and fasten with a brass nut. Step 21 is the final step. Tighten spreader bars and 24-inch lift bracing. When tightening, apply pressure to the side of the lift. Putting pressure on the side of the lift will help align the poly guide rollers. For added convenience, our screwjack legs come standard on our larger lifts and make raising or lowering your DockRite lift easy when the water levels change. Your new DockRite lift is ready for bunks, canopies, and accessories. For more information on our extensive line of marine products, go to www.dockriteus.com.